Big fish on, big fish. Whoa, really big fish. Holy crap. Something huge. Oh yeah. Get out of that grass. I'm not even sure what it is yet. Kind of feels like a redfish. Oh yeah, real nice redfish. He might be a little on the big side. Oh yeah, there we go. That's how you start a morning. He was in right there on that grass. Let's see what we got. Might be a little oversized to weigh in, but
there's such thing as an oversized in a fishing contest?
Yes, that's true. The redfish, they have a slot limit. You're limited 16 to 26 inches. So let's see what he goes. He looks oversized to me, but hold on. He's 27.
Wow.
He's a little big. Hey, I mean, that's a good looking fish there. A little oversized, but it's pretty. Well guys, a little bigger than what I need for my tournament, but that's a beautiful redfish there. I'm gonna get him back. Watch him take off out of here. Let's see if we can get one a little bit smaller. Y'all, today I am fishing the ACFA end of summer tournament, Alabama Coastal Fishing Association. Our categories this month are redfish, flounder, speckled trout, croaker, and Spanish mackerel. So we're out here in the marsh this morning trying to get into most of them. Just got a really nice redfish, but it's just a tiny bit too big. Is just under 27 inches. They got to be 26 or less. So trying to get one a little smaller, hopefully find a speck here. Not as many this morning as I usually see as the sun's coming up, but get the speck, get a flounder, and then we'll hunt those other two. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's a good one. That's a good fish. About time. Oh, come on. Stay on there, buddy. Oh, big, strong fish. Big, strong fish. This is a big fish, guys. He's got some weight to him. Feels like a red. Whew, big red. Man, look at that baby. Probably gonna be oversized too. We'll see. It's a big fish there. He has got some power. Big, strong fish. Hold on. Easy there. Ooh, he's foul hooked. Whew. Loosen up the drag just a little bit to baby this guy up here. Hold on, come on, hold on, buddy. Hold on. Come on. Don't splash too much. Just come up real soft and easy. Come up real nice and easy. Come on. Come on. Oh, this one might be the perfect fish, guys. I can get him in here. Trying to baby him. Looks like it might have caught on the outside of his gill. thinking he's secure as long as we've had him on here, but hold on, big boy. Oh crap. Got him in there. Oh, yes. Oh, I think that's one, Gus. I think that's the one, guys. That's a heavy fish. I think he might make it. Man, look at that right there. He swung at it and missed, I guess. Just caught it at the edge of the gills there. Oh, I hope this guy makes it. I think he might be a little long. Come on, buddy. Please be 26. Please be 26. Oh, he's got a lot of length to him. Let's see. Almost 30, dang. Just a little, he's a good bit over. This one's bigger than I thought he was. Well, guys, that is a awesome redfish right there. But again, unfortunately, just a little too big. Good day of, well, not great, but a couple good fish, but they're just not the ones I needed for the tournament. There he goes. He's off. All right, let's see if we can maybe pick one up smaller. He ate it most of our time. That's a big fish, but beautiful fish. Happy to get him. He helps me in my online tournament. He's just not gonna make it today. Need little brother. Man, y'all, the fishing was tough today. It was just a grind all day long. Fished my butt off, but just didn't get anything worth weighing in, which, I mean, you know, it happens. Can't win them all, but did get two really nice redfish. They were just a little too big, which is seems kind of like an oxymoron for a fishing tournament having them too big, but that's the deal when you're fishing a redfish tournament. Is they've got a slot, your minimum and maximum size, so you can't go over slotting. But those fish were, you know, that one was just a little over, and that other redfish is obviously a lot over. But I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Stay tuned, got some more stuff coming out soon. If things work out, I'm hoping might be on the Gulf Shores in the next week or two for a weekend and trying to get some really big speckled trout. Been struggling with those this summer, so hopefully find some big trout, maybe some Spanish mackerel and some other stuff. We'll see. Y'all stay tuned. Hope to see you guys again on the channel soon.